What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Sartorial Wealth channel. Today we're going to be discussing a pretty significant development in the Canadian tax landscape, the proposed changes to the capital gains taxes, and the current status following some fairly recent political events. In 2024, the federal budget that Canada proposed was to increase the capital gains inclusion rate. This change would have raised the amount of capital gains that would be subject to tax from 50% to 2/3 or 66.6%. For corporations, most trusts, and also for individuals on gains exceeding $250,000 annually. However, there's been some pretty recent political developments that it may have altered course for these proposed changes. Now, as you may or may not have heard, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau recently announced he resigned and has actually prorogued Parliament. This is effectively halting legislative process for these tax amendments. Now, the tech and business communities have expressed significant concerns about the proposed tax hikes, fearing it could potentially stifle innovation and drive talent away from Canada. With the government being prorogued, these changes may not proceed as initially planned. It's also important to note that while these specific changes are technically off the table in the short term, future governments may revisit the topic of capital gains taxation. Another important point to note is that the CRA has actually been implementing the proposed changes since the spring of this past year, even if the prorogation of the government actually ends up capping or killing this entire legislation. For the time being, it's still being implemented, which is CRA's standard operating procedure. So if it ends up actually getting axed in the future, then at that point, this may no longer be effective on a go-forward basis. So it's important to note that these specific changes are kind of up in the air a little bit in the short term, and the future government may revisit this entire topic of capital gains taxation. Staying informed and consulting with financial and tax experts is crucial for effective tax planning. Now, we will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as they become available. If you have any questions or you need personalized advice, please feel free to reach out to our team. I want to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about important financial news and updates. Until next time, stay safe out there. Bye for now.